Hey everyone, it's Janssens here, and today I will be reviewing the VX Gaming Floki RGB full mechanical keyboard. The Floki is one of the keyboards that was released alongside the brand relaunch last year. But before we get into this review, if you are on the lookout for reviews on any upcoming tech, games or movies, then please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. But let's jump straight into this review. As mentioned earlier, this keyboard was released alongside the VX Gaming rebrand, and the new packaging captures that look perfectly. But let's talk about features first. The VX Gaming Floki boasts a set of impressive functionalities that make it stand out in the crowded keyboard market. And with its affordable price, some of these features were quite surprising. First up, it's equipped with full key anti-shock technology, meaning each keystroke feels stable and consistent, even during those intense gaming sessions. The Floki also takes advantage of mechanical switches, and here is a sneak peek of the audio that you can expect from it. Continuing the conversation of keycaps, let's talk about the RGB backlighting. The Floki features vibrant RGB lighting that can be customized to your heart's content, allowing you to match your setup or create eye-catching effects. Another thing worth mentioning is the floating keycap design, which you either love or hate. I found myself eventually becoming accustomed to it after a few hours of play. So now let's dive into the nitty-gritty specs of the VX Gaming Floki keyboard. This keyboard comes with a standard layout of 104 keys, providing everything you need for both gaming and tasks. The switches are mechanical, ensuring a satisfying tactical feedback with every press. And they're rated for an impressive 50 million presses, so durability is not something that you're going to need to worry about. Connectivity-wise, it's a breeze. The Floki plugs in via USB 2.0, and with a generous 1.5 meter cable length, you won't feel tethered to your PC. And as someone that prefers wired keyboards, I really enjoyed this aspect. So let me tell you what the verdict is. Well, if you're in the market for a reliable mechanical keyboard with a sturdy build that is also affordable, the VX Gaming Floki RGB might just be the one for you. It offers a great balance of performance and aesthetics without breaking the bank. So if you enjoyed this video or found this review in any way helpful, then please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have any additional questions about the keyboard, then please comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.